Hey guys, this is John from Desk PM. I am so excited because this is our really our big alpha group, I guess. We've gone from 6 or 7 very close friends of mine who had worked on Pressgram with me, now to expanding over 40 alpha testers. So here we are. And so I'm so thankful and excited that you are offering your time and some of your experience and some of your blogs to even test this application. Please note, as I have mentioned, this is a true alpha. There are many things that are incomplete and not actually working. That's fine. You can make note of them, um, but don't assume that because it doesn't work, that's because it's actually broken. I may not have actually built that feature yet. I want to walk through the core features that you should take a look at and the things that I'm really looking help for this round, and then you guys can have at it, and we'll go from there. You'll see I'm going to be uploading this copy right here, and then when you extract it, you'll have a little icon. You can then put that into your bar if you'd like, and then you can launch it. You should see this. A couple things of note. You can begin to type, etc., etc. Your title is right here. So testing flow video alpha. And then you can actually save that into a particular folder. Right now, I have chosen to save it in Desk Drafts, which is a actual folder that I have created. There is a default folder, but you can just save it anywhere else. Your drafts are over here. Testing the actual application. The WYSIWYG should work. Double click or highlight an actual word or sentence or few, and you should be able to test all of these. And I'd love for you to test those and see if they show correctly on the actual blog properties. That's an area of testing that I would love some help on. The autosave feature should be also working locally. I'm building iCloud integration the next iteration, so we'll test iCloud saving for the next iteration. But for now, it should be able to save about every 15-20 seconds automatically locally. Testing to adding new drafts, having those save is important. I don't have Markdown yet, so Markdown doesn't work, so just WYSIWYG right now. So Markdown will be in the next iteration. Preview also works, so that should work. You've got your character count, your word count, your reading time is an estimate, and then of course your blogs. So this is a big area. Testing the WYSIWYG, and then testing the publication to the blog level. So you could add a number of different blog properties here. If you have one of each, that would be awesome. Go ahead and test to your heart's content. Of course, there are different features and options related to each one, but everyone should work. If you have or encounter any issue with connecting to a property, make note of that and let me know. But you should be able to. For example, I'll connect to Blogger. Oh geez, what is my Blogger? That's probably not it. Nope, that's not it. Okay, there. And accept, and so that should connect to Blogspot. There we go, awesome. So if we test that, there she goes. Look at how beautiful that is. Whoops, I didn't have a title. Finally, images is important to test, although there's still some things broken. Go ahead and feel free to test images. So you can grab an image, say and you can drag and drop them in here. Left, center, and right justified. And then if you're publishing to WordPress, you can of course choose that as a featured image, and then you can add categories and stuff like that. So test all of these meta level things as well. But again, the images are a little bit broken. Still working on that, but you should be able to successfully publish. So let's go ahead and try that. Cool, right? Featured image, and then it should be centered right here as it is, and then it has the underlined value there. So that is a quick overview of what I'd love for you to engage with in this alpha. If you have any suggestions related to the actual application, you can include those. Maybe perhaps I'll create a different thread. A couple other things, I guess, for you to check out is the transparency, the writing mode, the date, night, and the floating. The floating is to keep it always on top. Day-night mode is, nighttime. The writing mode is horizontal or go vertical. If you like to use those monitors, and then transparency, you should be able to see behind the actual application. All right, thank you guys so much. I'm so excited for this huge, mega, awesome alpha test. You guys are the best. Can't wait to see your feedback, and thank you so much for all of your help.